How to use buy online, pick up in store in Lululemon. Hi everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some steps that you can follow to use the BOPIS at Lululemon. So let's get started. We can go to the Lululemon website of the application first of all, and we can choose the size and the color of the product that we want. So go ahead and find the specific product first of all. Let's, for example, take these casual pants, go to the collection in the cart for that product, like this, and head over to the product description page. After that, you can choose up the color of your cloth, of your product that you want, and even the size and your length as well. After that, you will be finding an option called pick up in store or check store availability right in this section. So go ahead and click on that option. And here we'll be finding this option called enter your postal code, city or province. So here, enter up your location. Just go and enter up your location in this section. And also you can select up a nearby Lululemon store where the item is available. Once it is done, once you've added the location, you can look out for this option called add to bag and then go ahead and confirm it up. And while you are checking out, choose pick up in store as the delivery option and enter up your payment details and complete the order, and you will be receiving a confirmation email, and the store will prepare your order and you will be getting another email saying that it's ready for pickup and bring it to the store using the order confirmation email or valid ID, and that's it. And it's pretty easy. You can use that option in Lululemon to use the buy now and pick up later in store. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.